Yoga Nidra or yoga sleep for longevity. Deep sleep is one of the key elements for good health and long life. We all want to live beyond 100 years, and that is possible. How? Well, that is a part of my longevity program that I'll elaborate later. For now, I'll present 3 ways of guided meditation for deep, peaceful sleep for longevity and good health. Try not to sleep while meditating. Lie down on your bed, straight, keeping your hands and legs slightly apart. The room should be dark and comfortably cold. Close your eyes. Be aware of your breath. Watch how air is flowing in and flowing out of your body through your nostrils. Watch how your abdomen rises with each breath coming in and how it falls while exhaling. This will slow down your anxiety, thought, and breath. Observe your thought. Your mind may deviate every now and then. That is okay. Do not resist it. Just observe the thought. Watch how you are breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. Now, slowly be aware of your whole body, your surroundings, your bed, this room. Be aware that you are in this house, surrounded by your own people. Think about them, your parents, spouse, children, friends, this house, the city you are in. Now, think of the country your house, your city is part of. Think about this art that your country is a part of. This beautiful art, the Mother Earth, is an integral part of our solar system. This solar system, the Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, all are part of a galaxy. Our galaxy, Milky Way, a small, tiny galaxy that holds life amongst billions of giant stars, planets, galaxies. Visualize the sky above. There are zillions of them in this colossal universe. Bright, radiating, rotating, moving, all are in sync, as if following an invisible diktat. Visualize the whole sky. After that vast universe, there is nothing. There is a void, a scary silence, eternal darkness that spreads across billions of light years. In this vastness, in this darkness, in this eternity, where is He, the omnipotent, omniscient, benevolent dictator? Can't find Him, but surely He is there, somewhere, watching, smiling. So tell yourself, I'm not intimidated by this darkness. Let me then turn to the light, to the thriving universe. Journey back home. Think again of that big, bright universe that has billions of stars, planets, galaxies. Watch them mentally. Think again of our galaxy, the Milky Way, which is just a dot in that colossal universe. Come back to our solar system, in which our Mother Earth thrives with lives. Come back to Earth and feel happy to be back to your own country. Come back to your bustling city. Think again about your own house, your own people, your own bed where you are lying down. And feel happy to be back from that lost, vast universe to your own cozy, secure nest. You can sleep happily now. Sleep, sleep, sleep.